How to fix ChatGPT sorry you went wrong. In this case, in order to solve this issue, what you want to do is to head over to the site that you usually use your website ChatGPT. Tap on this three dot at the top right corner and then head over to your settings. Scroll down and move into site settings. Tap on all sites at the top. Right here you need to search for the site of ChatGPT. Once you find it, head over to it. The option of clear and reset will be visible to you. Tap on it. And then once again tap on clear and reset. Once the site has been cleared, the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to the home page. Once again tap on this three dot at the top right corner. Move into history. Tap on clear browsing data. Right here you need to select all time. And then tap on clear data at the bottom right corner. Once again tap on clear. Well, once it has been done, you can go ahead and head over to the site chatgpt.com and then you can try log into your account. It might fix the issue that you have been facing on ChatGPT. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then in the next step what you need to make sure that your VPN is turned off. Once the VPN has been disabled, you can go back and head over to the site chatgpt.com and then you'll be able to log into your account and you'll be good to go. So this is it, and I hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.